Right, back out fishing, back at Old Mill, back on Birch Lake. It's looking absolutely lovely. All year I've fished the far opposite bank about 15 times. I fished once in the car park swim. The rest of the year's been on that far bank there. I really wanted to try a different swim on the new side. So I walked round to the opposite bank, had a good look round here, see a couple of fish, and thought, yeah, that'll do. Got set up in the corner, got all three rods out, got one down that margin, nice spot, about 16 wraps, one to the bush, and the other one just in front of that little dot island there. But yeah, it looks epic. There's plenty of fish about, and hopefully I can sneak one out this weekend. Fingers crossed. Happy days.
Well, we've only had the rods out for about 3 hours and Benson's already away with an awesome fish. Check this out, a cracking, crazy looking, crazy shaped Old Mill Common, weighing at 37 pound. It's wide as anything. It's what a mad shaped fish, but yeah, good angling, mate. Spot on, well in.
Well, what a mad shaped fish that was. What a unit. Nice to be there to see one of your pals catch an awesome 37 pounder. But yeah, what a fish. Awesome. Just want one myself now. But yeah, well pleased for Benno. Now one of my babies to go ripping off. Come on, Mr. Carp. I don't use that many different rigs in my tackle box really. I have a standard hair rig for my bottom baits. I have a D-rig for my wafter hook baits, and I use a spinner rig for my pop-ups. Do sometimes use a spinner rig as well for wafters, something a little bit different. But one thing I do like to do, and I have shown this on one of my videos before, but it's going back about a year ago, something like that, is I do incorporate a Korda sinker on all my rigs. But I do tend to reuse them, and you can probably use them 10 to 15 times. You can keep using them personally until when you transfer them over onto your new hook link, until they become loose. This one's nice and tight on the hook link. It's really easy to reuse them. Simply form an overhand loop like so. Get your new hook link material, pass it through the loop, and form a fold in the material like that. And then take your loop, take the knot, pull it tight. I do like to get a pair of pliers on this now. Pull that nice and tight. Moisten the whole material, the new material. Hold your folded hook link like so. Take the sinker, slide it down, and bingo. Try not to stab yourself in the finger. And yeah, that's it. It's onto your new hook link like so. Tend to set it sort of halfway-ish. But yeah, keep reusing it, guys. While it's nice and tight on that hook link, you can just keep going and going and going. The minute you transfer it over and it's loose on the hook link, then sling it out. But you can just keep reusing them a good few times. But yeah, give it a try. Hope that saves money. It's got to be good. Happy days. Put out for me tea tonight. Chicken and salad and a sirloin steak slapped on the side. Sat staring out over a cracking looking lake, hoping the rods go ripping off soon. Awesome. Well, it's 7 o'clock at night now. It's gone mega quiet out there in front of me. Not seeing anything for the last 4 hours or so. It just seems devoid of fish. Down here, a few have been out. A few fish have been out yon side of the island to the swim, the old 30s swim, and steps to down that end of the lake, all to the left, but there's just no options for me to move down there, so I'm going to stay put. Pretty snookered, going to have to stay where I am and just hope that through the night. When it gets dark, the fish move back up this end, and I can sneak one out early morning. I think that's the best option. So, yeah, fingers crossed, something happens. But failing that, guys, I'll catch up with you in the morning. Well, it's 8:30 in the morning. I had no action at all through the night. Half hour ago, middle rod, I've had one bleep, and that's all that's occurred all night. Got the breakfast on this morning, bacon and egg bun, and I'm going to come up with a plan of action for what I'm going to do next. I'm thinking of putting all 3 rods to me marker post, which is there. Just camera's not picking it up, but there's a marker post there. Thinking of putting all 3 rods on a spot and spotting out about 2 key of oily straight off of the top of it, and see if that forces the issue and see if that works. But yeah, I ain't decided yet. Still bite time. Sit here, keep watching, have my breakfast, couple more coffees, and decide what I'm gonna do. But yeah, it's the whole trip. It's the middle rod out to the island is the only one I've had 2 bleeps on in the whole, coming up to 24 hours now. So got to change something and try something. I'm not just gonna sit doing the same thing, and I've got to mix it up, try and force the issue. So yeah, I'll get this breakfast sorted and make the decision what I'm going to do next. Right, redone all 3 rods. Got the right hand rod, put that over that side, right hand of the peg, and that's gone to the bush on that island there. And the other 2 rods, wrap that up to 15 wraps, both rods. Got the spod rod out, wrapped that up to the same, and spotted it all out just in front of that island. Put about, well, that bag there had 3 key in it, and that's all that's left. So put the lot in with a spod rod, put 2 rods over it, and yeah, let's see what happens. That was about an hour ago, and I've already had a liner on that right hand rod there, well, my middle rod, right hand rod that's on the pod. But yeah, changed things, doing a bit of bait fishing, 2 on the spot. Hopefully that's the one and I can sneak one out. Right. He's getting wet. 45.2, agreed.
Hang on, that's 40. I'll say 45 and a half.
40.
Oh no, 45 on the nose, I think, innit?
45 on the nose.
Right. You bastard.
Yeah. Fucking, he's getting wet.
How many buckets do we need?
Loads.
No, one you come.
No, fucking loads.
Just remember, I ain't got a towel on me.
Yeah, I'm not bothered. Do you want to take some pictures, mate? Because I owe him from last week. He got me 4 times. nice and close. Oh, shit. Nice one, Andy. 45 pounder. Buzzing.
Don't yet, not yet.
I'm
Wait
not.
until I've got the other side.
Yeah, you just genuinely need a bit of water on the fish. Stop there.
Yep.
Stop there. Are you buzzing?
Yeah, I am.
Me too.
Trying to get the camera square on.
Don't get in the water with that camera.
Will do, mate.
Put that fucking bucket down.
He's getting scared, isn't he?
I would as well. It's a double barrel, that one, isn't it?
It's quadruple.
That front's
Yeah.
well clear, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, see one.
Nice one, Benno!
Wanker.
BB side! Fucking wanker. Oh shit.
You stood on my fucking fingers as well, you Get that phone out of the way. I need to get that mat. You can get the mat, you couldn't you? Right.
I will get them out. Yeah, man. Hey, don't leave me hanging. Buzzing. I knew I'd get you back. That was wicked to share my best pal's PB. £45 old mill banger. And he got soaking. And I owed him that one big time. Let's go see him. He's not an happy bunny, to say the least. Here he is, look. Are you smiling or are you mardy? You? Let's have a look at you. I told you I'd get you back for the other week, mate. Look at his pants.
Pay back the bitch.
Buzzing.
Yeah, nice one.
Nice one, mate.
Oh, and Darren's going to get wet, hopefully.
No, he ain't.
Like he's just wet me.
This is a stocky.
That
Give
innit?
him 3 nice buckets as well, because he got me.
Can't you tell? Can't you tell, mate? Oh, mate. Oh, mate, payback's a bitch. I got him a fall the other time we
That's
come.
why I don't come in, because I get wet for coming here.
You see, you don't catch out. That was an absolute couple of bleats on
That
the
was a
sea where
ripper.
I was in his swim, and then it just went. Oh, off his fin.
No worries, feelings there.
Nah, mate.
That's got everybody.
Hi, Scott. We've been seeing them come this side today, the last few hours, and we thought,
Oh, that's no stocky, mate.
that's no stocky.
Never netted a fish before.
It's so funny.
No.
Oh, God.
Go for the other side.
Try the other side, yeah.
It's
Oh,
going
dear.
nuts.
Oh, this is ace footage.
So I'll clip half of that out.
So, it just makes the fun of it. There you go.
That's a better one. That'll do.
It's off the baited spot as well. 2 clear SARS. Buzzing. I'm not blanking, and what a blank saver that is, eh? Come on, my love.
Because I fed your peg for you, mate.
Yes. Cheers, lads.
Well done, boys.
Of having a hole in your waders. Oh, can't get it off. Suction. Can you hear that?
Oh, yeah. I'm so glad. I am so glad.
Karma, mate.
Yeah. Oh, definitely.
Here, check this out.
Where's your sock?
I took it off because
Yeah.
I really expected a lot more than that.
Yeah.
Buzzing. Who cares?
You happy, Daz?
Yeah, mate.
Good.
Buzzing.
Good.
Not blanking, not camping, carping. Well, what a trip. 38 pounder, about 20 minutes after me pals, 45 pounder. Buzzing. That was off the baited area where I'd put about 2.5 key spotted out boilies to that island. Absolute screamer on the middle rod. Thanks for your help, Benno. Totally buzzing.
No problem, mate. Glad you got wet yourself.
Leaking waders, the joy. So something else on the shopping list. Spend this carp fishing malarkey, but we love it. Ace. Right, not going to do any more filming because rapidly losing the light. It's getting on, and not going to do any more unless I catch something else, but you never know. The fish are in front of us now. Anything can happen through the night, but failing that, guys, I'll catch up with you in the morning. Buzzing! Well, a lovely, peaceful night's sleep last night. Not had one single bleep. And woke up this morning. Look at that. Look at how moody she looks. She's grey. She's hazy. She's a very cold morning this morning. Had to put the hoodie on, the joggers on. But yeah, it does feel rather cold this morning. But it's 7 o'clock. Gonna stay till about 10:30ish. Got to be off for 11, so probably going to reel in around 10:30. I've heard fish this morning, bosh out. Sounded very close by. Didn't actually see them, but didn't sound far away, so it's looking good for maybe sneaking one more out before I go. And while them rods are sat on the dance floor, there's every chance. Right, got about half an hour left of the trip. Not going to do any more filming unless I actually catch something. It's been an absolute awesome 48 hours. Really enjoyed it. To be there when your pal catches a new PB. Here he is, 45 pounder. Well in, mate. Has been wicked. Totally enjoyed it. And for trips like this is the reason why I started doing the vlogs, to catch the moments like this, like what we've had. We've had an absolute scream. It's been awesome. It's been wicked. So I'm not going to do any more filming. You can drop a subscribe button there. If you could subscribe to the channel, it'd be greatly appreciated, everyone. Take care, tight lines, see you on the next one.